Yes. Have you gone?
Not that oft. But one time. Já, Kína, já. Já, Kína.
Yeah. I also go where the president are.
Vá.
On Broadway.
Wow. Broadway.
Yep.
Broadway.
I'm famous.
I'm very jealous.
But I have only once been in this flying wheel.
Yeah, me too, líka.
Yes.
Já. Yes. We vlog sometimes, já.
Yep. And you know vlog it like other famous do.
Já. Like Angelina.
Yes, she play in the movie.
Yeah, margar movie.
Yeah. You know, it like your blog, you know, folk.is.
Yes. Og Blog Central.
Yes, blogcentral.is.
This.
Yes, you know your blog, you know, you say, today I went to the store and I buy cake.
Yeah.
We blog on camera.
Já. We vlog on camera. And that is vlog.
Yes.
Video.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how oft ever get doing it?
Like, you know, when we want to. Yes, maybe one, maybe two, just, you know, if we are, you know...
Happy.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
we are in stuð.
Já. Stuð. Og party.
Yeah. So, you know, we do this because we famous and we have aðdáendur.
Já, aðdáendur.
And they want to, you know what is happening
Já.
with us. We are like the most famous people in Iceland.
Já, Ísland, já, famous.
We go to street and everybody run like, paparazzi, chica.
Nei.
Chica.
Nei.
Yeah, that's us. I paparazzi, you know, but I also with him. But the paparazzi like come to us.
Já.
You know, I'm no paparazzi.
No, nei. Ekki paparazzi, no paparazzi.
I famous.
Já. Me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
We famous like if this paparazzi, he like paparazzi, click.
Nei,
no,
nei.
Nei, ekki. No, stop it. Stop.
Hætta. Já.
Thank you for watching our number one. Number one video blog.
Já.
We make soon.
We make soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Turn off. You know, it's like...